Welcome dear students, I am Mr. Abhijit. In this practical session, we are going to see the study of the factors affecting rate of corrosion. The aim of this practical is to study the factors affecting rate of corrosion. Apparatus required for this: beaker, pair of tongue, metal piece. Here we are using nails. Then the chemicals, we require acidic solution, basic solution and a neutral solution. As a neutral solution, we are using a distilled water. We will see the theory behind this practical. In factors affecting rate of corrosion, we are considering the factor that is the pH. What is the effect of pH on rate of corrosion? So the rate of corrosion is affected by the increase in pH. In general, lower the pH, higher is the rate of corrosion. If pH is greater than 10, the corrosion of iron is very less due to the formation of protective coating, and that coating is because of hydrous oxides of iron. So lower the pH means, as you know, the pH scale 0 to 14. 0 to 7 is an acidic pH, 7 is for neutral, and above 7 up to 14 there is a basic range. So at lower pH means 0 to 7 pH, rate of corrosion is high. As we are considering the iron nail here, so we are moving in that direction. If the pH is between 10 to 3, then the presence of oxygen is essential for corrosion of iron. If the pH is less than 3 or it is lower than 3, then severe corrosion occurs. Means the rate of corrosion is very fast, because as pH decreases, the presence of air is also decreases, and hence evolution of hydrogen at cathode is more. Hence, more the acidic nature of solution, more the rate of corrosion. But the metals like aluminum or zinc are having fast rate of corrosion in alkaline medium, that is in basic medium. Now we will see the procedure of this practical. The metal sample, that is iron nail, is weighed as W1 gram. So we have to take 3 different nails, and weight of 3 different nails are taken separately. Then we have to keep that metal piece in a beaker containing acid, base and neutral solution. As we keep the 3 different nails in 3 different solutions, then the corrosion starts after some time. Then you have to note down the time in second required for corrosion reaction of the iron nails. Again you have to take the weight of metal piece, that is iron nail, after corrosion, and note down that weight as W2 gram for each of the 3 samples. Then you have to calculate the rate of corrosion using formula, that is corrosion rate is equal to weight loss divided by time taken. Now we will see the observation table. There are 3 observation tables we are going to see. One is for acidic medium, then basic medium, and then for neutral medium. Now you have to take the initial mass, then final mass and weight loss, and at the last time taken for the corrosion that takes place in the iron nail. Suppose the initial mass of the iron nail is 3.2 gram, then after corrosion reaction it becomes 2.7 gram. So what is the loss in weight? So the reaction takes place in 600 seconds, and the weight loss you can calculate as 0.5 gram. So this is the readings or observations for acidic medium. Then we will see the basic medium. At basic medium, rate of corrosion is slower. Therefore, for again iron sample, suppose the initial mass of that iron is 3.7 gram, then loss in weight takes place about 3.4 gram, then the final mass after corrosion is 3.4 gram. So the time taken for this is again same, that is 600 seconds. Then what is the loss in weight? Suppose the loss in weight is 0.3 gram. Now for neutral medium, again the same nail sample, iron nail. Initial mass of that iron nail is suppose 3.5 gram. Final mass is 3.45 gram. Time taken for this is 600 seconds again. So loss in weight is 0.05 gram. So the rate of corrosion in neutral medium is very slow. That's why loss in weight is very less. On the basis of these three observations, that is in acidic medium, basic medium and neutral medium, you can make calculation table like this, that we have taken the medium, that is acidic, basic and neutral, then metal sample. For all the times we have used iron nail. Then loss in weight for acidic medium we have observed, that is 0.5 gram. For basic it was 0.3 gram, and for neutral medium it was 0.05 gram. Time taken, that is 600 seconds for 3 times. Okay, then what is the rate of corrosion? As we know the formula of rate of corrosion, that is rate of corrosion is equal to loss in weight divided by time taken. On the basis of this, you can calculate the rate of corrosion. For acidic medium, it is 0.0008 gram per second. Then for basic, 0.0005 gram per second. For neutral, it is 8 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 5 gram per second. In this way, you can calculate the rate of corrosion on one of the factor, that is medium of solution, that may be acidic, basic or neutral. These two calculations you may write as 8 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 4, and this one, that is 5 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 4. So in this way you have calculated the rate of corrosion. So what is the conclusion of this? The rate of corrosion in dash medium is fast for iron metal. So we have to go to result table again. So what is the conclusion from this? That the rate of corrosion is very fast in acidic medium, it is medium in basic, and it is very slow in neutral medium. So for iron metal, this is the rate of corrosion. Now we can make a conclusion that the rate of corrosion in acidic medium is fast for iron metal, because we have taken iron nail. Then the rate of corrosion in dash medium is slow for iron metal. So which is the medium where the rate of corrosion is observed as slow? In neutral medium. Okay, in this way we conclude here. Thank you.